The value of having a water jet in our facility is that it's given us an unprecedented amount of flexibility. We can hold tighter tolerances. There's nothing water jets can't cut. Aside from tempered glass and some laminated materials. But basically, you can put almost whatever you want on that table, and you can cut just about anything in any shape you want. We have two methods of cutting material. One is through plasma or oxy-fuel, and our other is a water jet. Ultimately, the customer will tell us what process they want used, but sometimes we'll look at the tolerances we're given, and we'll look at the types of material that needs to be cut, and we'll decide there. This is quite a small tolerance. We better water jet cut this. If the customer wants fairly sharp edge, that's where you come out on top of the water jet. Or extremely hard materials, such as Inconel, we can water jet cut that. The size of our water jet table is approximately 17 feet wide by 35 feet long, as some people refer to as a football field. And that we decided to go with such a big table was we have cut, and we do run into cutting plate that's about 20 to 24 feet and even 30-foot plate. So we can put a full plate down and cut it, and that extra 5 feet, that extra few feet on either side allows us to walk around it and unload parts. To go with a KMT pump, it was a no-brainer for us. We've had past experiences with the KMT, and their support is unprecedented. And when the machine needs routine maintenance once in a while, it's easy to do, it's quick to break down, it goes back together with ease, and your downtime is limited. Such as seals, for instance, seals need to be replaced. Half an hour your seals are half an hour you replace your seals and you're up and running. And the support, technical support, it's unprecedented. You can call on a Saturday or a Sunday, and this has happened to me before, and you leave a message, and within 15 minutes I got a phone call back. Somebody called me from home, from their own house down in the States, and they helped me through the problem, and I was up and running. We decided to go with the redundant topworks for our machine, the main reason being that in today's manufacturing world, the time you have is precious, because nowadays everybody wants a quick turnaround, and that's where we have our edge. And time equals money, and having a machine sitting idle is not making you money, it's in fact costing you money. We decided to go with the automatic abrasive feeders, Feedline 4s, and to our surprise, we found that we saved almost 30% on the amount of abrasive that we're using. It gives us the flexibility and the freedom to increase or decrease the amount of sand that we use. So we can decrease the amount of abrasive, or we could even increase our cutting speed, or do both to produce a better finish. In terms of what type of hopper we went with, we decided to go with a full-size hopper from KMT, because it limits the amount of time we have to stop the machine to refill the hopper. We don't have to stop every 4 or 5 hours and start manually dumping bags in. We can just grab the super sack and put it in with a crane. Super sack will last us a fairly long time, so it limits the amount of time that we have to stop and start filling the hopper with little 50-pound bags. We do it all in one shot. There's nothing water jets can't cut.